we are in South Scent, as they say here. But not for long. We're moving. For real.
If you hear like a scratching in here, hear that? That's Clayton, also known as Kep, who's cleaning off the hull of Galapa. Because I think we're gonna be going on a little cruise very soon, and I need Galapa in tip-top shape. It's time to take on another winch. This one is for the furler. It's also for the spinnaker, but I use it a lot for the furlers, so it's pretty important. It was totally seized up. Haven't used it in a while. So as you can see, this is pretty corroded with salt here that you see here. So this, I'm gonna put in this water here that has vinegar. Dirt comes off pretty easily. It's mostly greasy sand or dust. It's in there, cakes up, and it comes off pretty nicely and quickly with the diesel. Why don't I wear gloves, you may say? Because I don't want to. They're a pain in the ass. And I probably don't have any, and I barely do this once every 6 months or so. My hands will survive. This thing is really seized, this gear, pounding on it, but I think it's finally coming loose. There we go. Well, this winch is almost put together again. I just need to put these big bearings on there. Already greased this up, really need much. See, I mean, that's enough grease. I'll grease up the gears here. Much easier than the 2-speed ones. Still have like 2 more to do there.
My new bag, scooter bag, huh? Very good, my baby.
Paige just happened to stop by as I was going out for food shopping. I showed him a well-stocked supermarket.
It's a good supermarket.
So I could stock Galapa.
Dat comprei meer. Ja.
So we left in midnight. It was good. Went up the canal, then tacked towards east, and it was doing pretty good. But then the wind shifted and it came more and more from the east. And I wanted to get above Senegal to keep a northern heading as much as possible. That was rough. That was rough. This is what it was like.
This sucks, man. Jenny and I left around 11 o'clock at night. Thought we could beat the weather. Beating on us, man. Oh, man. I'm sick. Been running on the engine because we're heading right into the wind. Sucks, man. First part sucks. Oh man.
I couldn't film anything. I couldn't do anything. I was just devastated, crushed, seasick to the hilt, man. Blowing chunks, vomiting bile. So was Johnny. We were bad shape.
we're sailing in a sandstorm. It's so thick. I heard later that flights were cancelled going in and out of Cabo Verde.
Step will adjust. Build until breath comes with ease. Time will soften the heart. Step by step we'll adjust. It'll get easier. Learn to live and let.
We'd see ships on the AIS, but we couldn't see ships on the horizon. Visibility was under a mile, and at night, we saw nothing, not a light. It was a strange feeling.
Keep pressing on. Good things ahead of us now. Past is the past if you heal. We all need space to mend. Good things ahead of us now. It'll get easier. Learn to live and let live. Time moves slowly till it's moving too fast. It'll get easier. Keep pressing on.
There was dust everywhere. It got into everything. And I had to regularly wipe off the solar panels to keep the batteries charged. But even the sun was weak through the dust. And that was a problem. The batteries did not keep it charged during the night. So we had to run the engine so the autopilot had enough energy to do its job.
Okay, man, so here we are in our passage from Saint Vicente to Dakar. It's been a rough one so far. I've been up high seas for about 4 or 5 months, so neither had Johnny. We got properly sick as we left. We thought it was going to be mellow, but it wasn't. And what we're dealing with is a constant headwind. We're going directly into the wind.
Till you watch it all drift off like feathers in the wind. Till you think about making up or what we could have been. I can hear your thoughts loud and clear. You don't have to say a thing, my dear.
After a couple of days, the visibility got better. But it was still dusty. And the wind, well, it was coming from where we were going. We needed to go west, but we were heading southwest. We were heading to Guinea-Bissau, a country I'd like to go to soon, but not now. What is usually a 4-day trip was stretching out to be almost a week.
Thick skin, you don't care about my love, care about my love. Look at me, I have thick skin. Did you play your part, hand too hard? Yeah, did you let me in? Did I give you space enough to waste every bit of ice? I can hear your thoughts loud and clear. You don't have to say a thing, my dear.
Hey, thanks for watching. These are our studios on Gadapan. You know, it's the good people on Patreon who are making this happen and keep it as afloat. Hope you'll join our community. We've got a lot of cool extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos that I've taken. And I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories, which are not for general audiences on YouTube. Plus, our friend and patron, Graham, started a WhatsApp chat aptly called Galapan's Cockpit. There we can talk about just about anything we want, uncensored. People from all over have joined. And it's this community that's contributing to this Living Adventure series. Woo, it's kind of windy here. Or you can watch for free on YouTube, but make sure you put a like or dislike, or make a comment, and make your voice heard. And definitely subscribe. So thanks for coming along and sailing with us on our winded voyage.
I know you know